Racing just is started. We have Field Runner break quickly at the start. Vergara rushing up now at the outside and now diving through the ladies tabella. Instant is racing in fourth. Moscovado. Then next online now is Dragon May. Then followed over by entry number 9 Lim Grand Story. Running by the rail is Ninjutsu. Hakuna Matata comes next. Hockey Hawk. Then comes Final Judgment. Running by the rail now is Brazilian Babe. Then followed over by My Bukas Pa, while the real thing is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader, and as they swing down the back, we have Vergara by about 4 lengths. Moscovado to take second. Field Runner is down on the inside third. Instant Tabel, Lim Grand Story, Ninjutsu, Dragon May. Then comes Hockey Hawk moving up on the outside. Hakuna Matata, My Bukas comes next. Then comes the real thing, and on the outside Final Judgment, while Brazilian Babe now racing in 14th, last 400 meters of the race. Vergara, Moscovado moving up now at the outside. Tabel comes next, Lim Grand Story, then followed by Field Runner, and they are now entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Moscovado by a length and a half. Vergara, Tabel, Lim Grand Story, Field Runner is down on the inside. Last 75 meters, Moscovado followed by Lim Grand Story, and finally Jackie Jesse Basilio Guse on Moscovado. Then comes Lim Grand Story, Tabel, Field Runner, Vergara, number 7 Dragon May.
The second choice.